For one-off and small batch production, ProtoTrack is the answer. But for production milling, take a look at the XYZ VMC range. We have our heavy-duty machines, a high-end, high-speed 1060, our linear rail machines, and finally, the unrivaled UMC 5X. Our linear rail range starts with the 500LR. These linear rail machines offer outstanding performance at very competitive prices and are available with carousel or arm-type tool changes. Our HD VMCs have solid ribbed castings, wide box slideways, and powerful direct drives on all axis. These are real workhorses that will provide years of hard-working performance. They feature solid casting, Siemens or Heidenhain controls. The 1100 HD has a table weight capacity of 1500 kilos, and the casting supports an X-axis travel for the full length of travel with no overhang. We also have 1500mm, 2000mm and 3000mm X-axis travel machines, with 1000mm in the Y-axis. You may have seen our 1060HS before, a high-speed performer for a high-end user. This is ideal for mold tool and high-precision aerospace work. Finally, we have the UMC 5X, a true high-end champion. 5-axis simultaneous, linear scales, thermal compensation rotary scales on pivot centers, accurate to 5 seconds of arc, and a 90 RPM direct drive table. These features and more make this an accurate and fast performer by anyone's standard. Not forgetting the brains of the operation, the control. Each VMC comes with either a Siemens or Heidenhain control. Both are world leaders in production control systems. XYZ's VMCs all have a 4th and 5th axis upgrade available, now or later, whenever you're ready. So that's a short overview of XYZ's VMCs. We are firm believers that you should always see a machine cut before you buy it. So book a demo in one of our 5 showrooms around the UK now.